Aloha folks, this is Aaron from Hawaii Music School, and this video is for the intermediate ukulele class at Hawala Schools. And so last week what we did was we went over the Travis picking style where we use our thumb back and forth. So this week we're going to add some tools to that, because next week what we're going to do is we're going to put it together and start making chord melodies. But before we can do that, we need to learn where all the notes are on the fretboard. So this week is all about the scales. The first scale is going to be for the C picture. Whenever we see that C shape, we can play this shape. Now when we see the A shape, which is, it's a C chord, but it's an A shape, we're going to play this shape. When we see a G shape, we're going to go here. So when we see the F shape, a little bit further up, we're going to play this. And when we see the D shape, we're going to play this. Alright, so let's take a closer look at that, and I'll give you the fret numbers so that you can follow along. Alright, now that we've got a closer shot, let's go ahead and review that. So the C shape was here. Wherever we saw the C shape, we're going to go like this. Okay? So root, half step down, then we're going to go open. Right above that, we have this. Okay, so the picture goes, it's almost like it's reversed, backwards, yeah? 3, 2, open, 3, 1, open. Now we get here, it's going to be 2, open, and then the top string is like the exception to the rule, where we go 4, 2, open. So all the way down. And then we're going to go forwards. That's going to be for that C shape. Okay, let's look at the A shape. That's my root, so I'm going to go up a whole step, and I'm going to go down, yeah? So remember, down a half step was where that 7 was. So we're here, that's the 2, 2, 1, back, yeah? So it's going to be fret number 5, fret number 3, fret number 2. Now the next string is only going to have 2 notes, so we're going to go here at the 5, and then the 3. Now we go up here, it's going to be 5, 4, 2, 5, 4, 2. So for the A picture, wherever you see this, it looks like that. Alright, so that was the A shape. Now where that finger is, we're going to do a G shape. Okay, so we're going to go from there, put that finger up, and then I'm going to do that G shape. So it looks like a G chord if we were to bar that and do a G. So if you did this, but then put that there, like how it is, you see how there's a space here? We're doing the same thing here. There's that space. Okay, so wherever we see the G shape, we're going to have my pinky go down. So, and it's the same picture. In this case, it's 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5. Okay, so that 8, 7, 5, 8, 7, 5. Now we're going to go here and go 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4. Okay, that's going to be the G shape. Okay, so looking at the G shape, right, where those 2 fingers are in the same fret, in this case it's the 7th fret, we're going to put the bar there. And then we're going to do an F shape. So if it's down here in the 5th fret, then we would do the bar in that same fret that those 2 fingers are in. Okay? But in this case, like we said, it's in the 7th fret. So we're going to put our bar here and do an F shape. So I'm going to put my pinky down here, because I can do that with the optional shapes, right? Like if I'm playing an F, I can put my pinky down here or my ring finger down here and it's still an F. But when we do it up here, it's going to be, because we're playing a C chord, it's going to be a C. Okay? And in this case, where my pinky is, that's where we're going to start the shape. So it's going to go 10, 8, 7, 10, 8, 7. That's that shape. 10, 8, 7, 10, 8, 7. Then we go up here to 9, 7, 10, 9, 7. And last but not least, we're at the D shape. So where that pinky was, when we did that shape, wherever that pinky is, we're going to put our first finger down and do that shape, right? So here, and then the top 3 strings, but we got to skip a fret, yeah? So we've got that going, and that's going to be our D shape. Now we start here underneath that. See that? So it's like this thing went all the way across. So we're going to start down here, 12. So 12, 10, 13, 12, 10. Now it's going to be that same shape, but we're going to move back a fret and up a string. So here it was 13, 12, 10. Now it's going to be 12, 11, 9. Okay? And then the top 2 is going to be just like that, yeah? Okay, so 12, 10. So the whole thing is 12, 10, 13, 12, 10, 12, 11, 9, 12, 10. And that's going to be our D shape. So if we look at the whole thing, we can play. That's going to be that C shape, A shape, G shape, F shape, and the D shape. And we can actually add that note in there too, if we want to. You don't have to put that one in there. We're just going to go up to here for now. Okay? And that's the whole thing. Alright guys, so I want you to work on those shapes, and I'll see you on Friday. We'll go over the whole thing, and we're going to start to incorporate the Travis picking thing in with our new scale shapes, and we're going to come up with some chord melodies. Okay, see you on Friday. Aloha.